Welcome to Reviewer Objective Sharing. Today we learn about the product. Looking for a powerful night cream to revitalize your skin? Olay Retinol 24 Face Moisturizer is your go-to solution for achieving youthful, glowing skin. This fragrance-free, anti-aging night cream is packed with the power of retinol, hyaluronic acid, and peptides, providing supercharged hydration that lasts 24 hours. Whether you're battling wrinkles, uneven skin tone, or simply looking for smoother, more radiant skin, Olay's dermatologist-tested formula delivers visible results in just a few weeks. With its lightweight, clean gel texture, it absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue, making it perfect to wear under makeup. After 2 weeks, you'll notice visibly healthier-looking skin, and after a month, expect a hydrated, supple, and radiant glow. Why spend $400 on luxury creams when Olay Retinol 24 offers better hydration and proven results? Treat your skin with the care it deserves. You can choose to buy through the link attached in the description of this video. When you choose to buy, Reviewer will receive a commission from Amazon through the affiliate marketing program.